Okay, so here it is, and we are in, this is the first door after you come in through the children's wing from the youth center. So here's all of these things at the end of the resource room. So you can kind of see, moving really quickly. So this is a Fellows Venus 125. So what you do here is, I'm going to reach around the back right here. There's a switch at the back. You turn it on and the lights will come on. This is an automatic laminator. It actually does cold laminating as well. I think we keep mainly hot laminating sheets. So it's going to flash that ready button. You'll first see a green light pop up for the 3 mil. Then it will eventually heat up so it can be as hot as to do the 10 mil. It will sense them itself, and so you don't need to figure any of that out. Up here is kind of showing you what you can put in. So see, right now it's telling us it's ready for 3 mil. I'm gonna let it go ahead and wait till it's all the way warm for all of them and show you. But up here, so I think part of what has been happening is we've been feeding sheets in that have a little piece of this and a little piece of that. It doesn't love that as much. So we will be getting a carrier packet. It's like a carrier page that's you can put those in to give it a little bit of support when it's running through the machine. The machine will tell you if it doesn't like what you've just fed into it, and this button right here will turn red and it will start reversing and making lots of angry noises at you so that you can get it back out of the machine. So it's all the way ready right now, and so you would just put in so here's the letter, so you can line it up there. There's the larger menu size, that would be like our 11 by 17. Here's photo size. And so there it tells you it will auto sense. And this is just the right hand side. So you just want to feed it straight in. It will grab it and pull it all the way through to the tray back here, which is where you will pull it out from. I've laminated the instructions. So here is one of the sets of instructions. It's kind of showing you, you want to use a laminating sheet that is the size of what you're putting through there. Don't use a big giant one with lots of wasted space to try to put it through there. It's going to jam. Here's the next one. So you don't want it hanging down, and then down here. So this says clean rollers. So there is this sheet right here that may seem unimportant, but it's very important. And because we've been going through laminators so fast, I wanted to show everyone that you do need to use this after every time you do laminating. And what this is a sheet just to clean the rollers of any sticky glue or anything from the laminating pages that pops out. So you've got arrows here, so you can send it in if you were doing letter size, or this is the 12-inch way if you were doing the larger 12 by 18, 11 by 17, and you don't use any laminating sheet for it. You just literally would put it in here and push it a little bit, and you can hear the motor wind up, and you just send that through. And it comes out this end. I know that we can get into a really big hurry, but we also want to be sure that this machine lasts a long time, and we don't need to replace it. So this is very important. It will be here by the laminator. I do plan to get something to put it on the wall here so it'll be a little handier and not in the way of the prep counter. So if you have any questions, I'm Melanie Arnson with the school, or you can ask Miss Kendra or anyone else. Thank you so much.